Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Guild Wars Reforged game crashing or crashing at startup, not launching, not opening, stuck on loading screen, keep stopping, not working, lagging, black screen or several other issues on iPhone. So let's go through the methods. So the very first thing is to check if the game needs any kind of update. For that you have to go to the App Store and in the search option you have to search for Guild Wars Reforged game, and here you have to check if the game needs any kind of update. If yes, update your game to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next to clear cache of the game, for that go to settings and after that click on general. After that click on iPhone storage, search for the game, click on the arrow icon and then click on offload app, click on offload. So this will clear the cache of the game. After that go back, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to check your internet connection. So make sure your internet connection is stable and not fluctuating. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can move to mobile data or do vice versa, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to, if not, you should install a VPN app. So you have to go to the App Store and after that here you have to search for VPN and you will get lots of VPN apps. Install any one of it and after that log into it, change the location and then try to launch the game and check. Next method is to check if your phone OS needs any kind of update. For that go to settings, after that click on general, then click on software update, and here you will find if there is any update available for your iOS version. If yes, update your iPhone OS to the latest version and after that launch the game and check. After following the methods you can restart your device once. So for that go to settings, after that click on general, after that go below, click on, so restart your device, after that launch the game and check. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that you have to first delete the game. For that go to settings, after that here under general you have to click on iPhone storage, after that select the game and then click on delete app and finally click on delete option. So this will remove the game from your phone. After that go back, open App Store, search for the game and reinstall it, and after that if the game is launching or not. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.